So for us, intuitive technology is every time a technology that is really, as we've been talking about, is a technology that every time follow human evolution. Okay, is a technology that is not complicated for a human to understand. That's why we choose to go in partnership with Google, because if you look Google Path, okay, if you look Google Progress, if you look Google Growth, right, all phases of their growth is based on building an ecosystem that will function just like our body. Because Google may look like a big corporation, but it's a big corporation made of many million of small and medium-sized businesses. So intuitive technology is anything that can actually rely on human evolution to be able to solve then our problems, which we use to be able to help company grow.
Amazing. Well, your last words.
My last word will specifically go to the young people. Today, I think technology is putting all of us on the same pedestal. Learn to understand the science behind technology. Learn to understand how we can use it for the good. Learn to understand how we can use it to solve solutions. Unfortunately, most of us are out there being good consumers of technology instead of preparing ourselves to be co-creators. And in our organization, we are actually working hard to bring this actually even in high school, where even already kids can actually discover, okay, the goodness. They can discover the science behind. And we have a project that we're working on with Lycée de Tove. In July, we'll be doing actually some workshop on robotic at the British School of Lome for children to come in 5 days, discover how actually they can use their vacation time in a better way. But ignite in them actually the awareness of how technology can be used differently than what we actually see all over the places. So that will be a little bit how I will put this as final words.